Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and enjoying your vacations and also doing your work as well. As you know, your work has been started. Please start preparing very neat and clean assignments and also learn the chapter as well. Watch all the videos and do your work clearly, because some students sent me some videos and there were too much spelling mistakes, so be careful about the spellings and all the mistakes. So exercises, understanding the poem. Let's start the lecture. Answer the following question. Where do the boats sail? Where do the ships sail? What sails across the sky? What are two prettiest things in the poem? What is another name of bow that bridges the heaven? Isn't there a difference between boat and ship? So these are some common questions which have been discussed in this lecture. So they have been done for you. You can see the page number. The next page of your notebook, Rainbow, Unit 2, words to know. You will write words to know here. Difficult words and their meaning that are given in the book. The rainbow. Exercises, understanding the poem. Answer the following questions. Question number A. Where do boats sail? Boats sail on the river. Where do boats sail? Boats sail on the river. Where do ships sail? Ships sail on the seas. Boat sails on the river while ship sails on the sea. What sails across the sky? Clouds sail across the sky. What sail across the sky? Clouds sail across the sky. What are two prettiest things in the poem? What are two prettiest things in the poem? Answer is this. In this poem, two prettiest things are: 1. Bridges on the river. 2. The bow that bridges the heaven. What is another name of bow that bridges the heaven? The other name of bow that bridges the heaven is the rainbow. Answer is the rainbow. What is another name for the bow that bridges the heaven? The rainbow. Is there a difference between boat and ship? Yes, there is difference. Boat is a small to mid-sized vessel, while ships are specifically made to carry cargo or passengers. So our next topic is, you can see, working with word B. No, second part of A. What are they? Find these words in the poem. Unfortunately, they are written. So it will be better to guess first. It would be better. Better looking, prettier. Better looking, prettier. The planet on which we live, Earth, it is built to cross over the river, bridge. We can sail in these ships and boats. White and fluffy, it floats in the sky, clouds. Okay, fill in the blanks. B section, working with word. Join word A with B to make new word. Example, over top. So hair, pin, hairpin. Post, card, postcard. Text, book, textbook. Class, room, classroom. Shoemaker, shoemaker. Hand, kerchief, handkerchief. Doorway, doorway. So new words which are made, they are hairpin, classroom, postcard, shoemaker, textbook, handkerchief, doorway. So learn and write them on your notebook. Better not to draw the line like this. You will draw the line like this and write new words over there. इस तरह से आपने लाइनें लगानी है अच्छी सी, और फिर उसके ऊपर नीट करके अपनी बुक पे कर लें. It will be better than that. The next topic is learning about language. Noun. Naming words are called noun. Naming words are called noun. The name of the things. Tiny Tim was playing in the kitchen. Tim, kitchen are noun. He stood on the chair next to the sink. A chair, sink, they are noun. Water was coming out of the tap. Water, tap, they are noun. He put his thumb under the hole. Thumb, hole, they are noun. In the tap, tap is all again noun. The water went all over the floor. It went all over his head too. Your next task on your notebook is that learning about language. Write heading, noun, naming words are noun. Write definition. Write all the nouns from the poem. You will search and write all the nouns from the poem. You can draw beautiful images to make your notebook colorful and beautiful. Okay. So your notebook must be very neat, very presentable. So let's see. You can see I have picked out some nouns. You can read them and you can also write them in your notebook as well. Our next topic is listening and speaking. Find all the rhyming words in the poem. List the words in your notebooks. Listening and speaking. Find all the rhyming words from the poem and write them. Sees, these, please, trees, these. The way like this. You can also make the small boxes. The rhyming word. The rhyming words are the word which are having matching sounds. Work with class. Think of words to rhyme with those below. List them in your notebook. Pen, man, log, bun, tin, tub, bin, bit, leg. So they have been done for you, but it will be very good that you should do these words by your own. So you can make some new words. I have made one of each rhyming word. So pen, tan, man, can, log, dog, bun, ton, lin, pen. Sorry, this is tin, pin, tub, nub. You can also write rub. That is very easy. RUB, rub. Very common word. Bit, lid, leg, wag, crow, grow, bend, send. Bud, mud, try, why, eat, sweet, you, move, catch, match, read, lead, hand, bend, at, bat, boy, toy, girl, curl. So CURL, curl. CURL, curl. So these are done from the teacher's side. You can make some new words as a rhyming word and write beautiful on your notebook after drawing the margin line. Okay, now make your own list of pairs of words that rhyme. So now here you will have to write your own rhyming words, on which you think about that. It will inshallah create good sense of poetry into your. So all are being done for you. Make your own list of pair words that rhyme. I have given you. Choose any word and say it aloud to your classmate. Inshallah, you will discuss it in the class and also as well in your online lecture, inshallah. Composition. Draw a picture of a rainbow. Write a few sentences about it in your notebook. Have you ever seen real one? Tell the other in the class about it. So you will prepare the notebook page like this. Composition: draw a picture of rainbow, write a few sentences about it, make a small box and draw a picture of rainbow and color it the rainbow and write description over here. And finally the next page will be left for the assessment. Your test will be done over there. You can take the idea of drawing rainbow from here. You can make beautiful here, as I know that all of you are doing very good drawing. So this is the creative writing and the most important task. Let's review the chapter in comprehension. You have done question answers and understanding the poem. Then fill in the blanks, working with words, matching the pairs, learning about language, noun, listening and speaking, rhyming words and composition, draw a rainbow and explain, write some sentences about the rainbow. So this was the second lecture was completed of the rainbow, and this was also the second chapter of your assignment. Do your work neatly and submit it soon, inshallah. Soon I will upload the third video of the assignments. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.